So friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing this video. If you guys having this problem in your FIFA mobile game, the problem is maintenance under servers are currently under maintenance. Please check back in a few minutes. So guys, if you're having this problem in your FIFA mobile game, so guys, you can watch this video till end, because I'm showing in this video why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So guys, firstly, you have to know that today FIFA mobile game servers is down right now, and this is the reason why this problem is coming in FIFA mobile game of maintenance underway. So guys, what you have to do? So guys, you have to wait for some time, some minutes or an hour, because this problem is automatically solved by FIFA mobile game team, because this is the server issue. So guys, this problem is automatically fixed by FIFA mobile game team, and the team is working on fixing the servers of FIFA mobile. So guys, you have to wait for some time, and this problem is solved in some minutes or an hour. So guys, if you guys having any other problem in your FIFA mobile game, you can comment me and I'm trying to solve your problem. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.